Hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will create hard trials animation using JavaScript. So let's start coding. First of all, I will select body element from HTML documents and assign it to the variable. I will add event listener to body element for the mouse move event. I will retrieve the current mouse coordinates relative to body element using event offset. I will create a new span element and assign it to the variable. I will set left and top CSS properties to the span element, positioning it at the mouse coordinates obtained earlier. I will generate a random size value between 0 and 100 pixels for the span element. Then I will append span element as a child of body element. This will cause span element to be added to the HTML document and displayed on the page. At the end, I will set timeout of 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the function inside timeout will be executed. Our code is complete. Let's have a look on front end. As you can see, when I move mouse, heart emoji trail pops up. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.